Hey guys, I'm Vanessa
and I'm Paola,
and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're doing a Christmas wish list. Before we get started with the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a big thumbs up if you find anything helpful. Let's get started.
The first idea are some pajamas. I feel like you can never go wrong with those.
Victoria's Secret has some pretty ones.
We always get pajamas because we really like
them. It's like a tradition for Christmas that we do. And also like Target and Kohl's has some pretty cute pajamas.
Another gift idea would be a purse. A girl can never go wrong with a purse.
Yeah.
I love purses. I really like buying purses. So that's a really good idea. You can never go wrong with those. There's a lot of brands, honestly. You can go with designer, you can go with like Urban Outfitters, what else?
Even Target
has cute ones too. Yeah.
The next gift idea is Bath and Body Works. I think some candles or lotions, body gels, pretty much anything from Bath and Body Works, it's a good idea.
They can go really good in like a stocking or something.
Yeah.
They will look good in stockings.
They have like hand sanitizer and stuff.
Like the little travel sizes, I feel like those are really cute.
So next, some really cute earrings or bracelets. I feel like that would be a pretty good gift idea to give out.
There's really cute bracelets at Coach.
Yeah.
Tiffany has really cute ones. Forever 21, I really like buying jewelry there. Urban Outfitters has some really cool ones too, and many more places.
Yeah, many more places. Another gift idea is phone cases. I think that's a pretty good thing to give out because I think it's really necessary for everyone to have a cute phone case and protect your phone for any harm.
Protect your case. I mean, protect your phone.
Yeah.
Another gift idea would be makeup sets. There's really cute makeup sets
at Sephora. Like they have like mascara sets, lipstick sets, like pretty much any set you can find at Sephora.
And Ulta as well.
Oh yeah, Ulta.
Another idea is a Gucci belt. We feel like a Gucci belt goes with everything and makes whatever outfit look like put together. You can wear like some casual jeans, a casual t-shirt, and you pop on the belt and it looks really like nice. So that's a really good idea. I know it's expensive, but it's a really good accessory that will like
I think many people will like that for Christmas.
I feel like it's something good to spend on because it will make your outfits look really cute.
Another gift idea is a throw blanket. They sell some pretty good ones at Target. I love those. They're really comfy and they keep me warm throughout the cold days.
You never go wrong with the throw blanket. Like, whenever you're watching movies or like you want to take a nap or something, they are really good.
You can like kind of spice it up and put like popcorn or movie stuff in a basket, like a throw blanket. A gift card or something like that.
She recently bought an Urban Outfitters blanket and it's the most comfiest thing you can ever imagine.
Warm. Like, oh, it's so cool.
I always steal her, so it's a really nice one.
Another gift idea is some skincare. I think that's a pretty good idea because throughout the cold weather my face becomes really dry and I feel skincare is a great gift idea to give out.
Yeah, and like besides your makeup, you also need to take care of your skin.
Yeah. Really important.
So, and they sell like really nice. I've seen like kits, like sets of skincare.
I have seen those at Ulta.
And Sephora as well.
Next are some makeup brushes. We will insert some pictures right here.
Another Christmas wish list would be some cute ropes. The last thing on our Christmas wish list would be some
room decor. You can buy like comforters, throw pillows, art decor. Like pretty much any room decor will be very good.
Little plants or like little paintings on the wall.
Hey guys, this was pretty much everything for our Christmas wish list for 2018. So we hope that you guys find this video really helpful.
We got some
ideas from this. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in our next one. Bye guys!
Jingle bell.